Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dommi. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to announce that I have finally made it to 200 plus subscribers on this channel. Like, what? That is just so crazy. Like, I can't even put my head around that I got 200 people watching me and supporting me. Like, that is just, it's crazy. Yeah, and it's just so crazy. And so I have decided to have a giveaway that I am hosting over on my Instagram. My Instagram is at Dommi_Nichole. It'll be right here on the screen somewhere for you guys. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram so you can enter the giveaway. The giveaway will be a $25 e-gift card to Ulta, because you guys know I love to do my makeup. And the way to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is 1, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then also follow me on Instagram, like this picture, and leave a comment on one self-care tip that you will be taking with you after this whole quarantine is over with. Once you're done with all of that, that is how you have entered the giveaway. I will be announcing the winner on Monday, May 4th. So yes, if you want to win a $25 gift card to Ulta, make sure you enter the giveaway. But yeah, filming this video is kind of personal for me because I didn't really want to show the world how damaged my hair is. So let me just show her to you guys. Usually I avoid doing wash and goes. What I have been doing is twist out. So I usually would do a twist out instead of doing wash and goes, because twist outs you can kind of mask what your hair looks like. But with the wash and go, you can't. I couldn't even tell you how my hair got like this. I mean, I know I put heat in my hair. I know that I straightened my hair, but I straightened my whole head. So for one side to be damaged like this and the other side to be, you know, decent, it's not the best, but it's decent. It's just crazy to me. So I wanted to start a whole healthy hair care journey. So this video right now is kicking off my healthy hair journey. I need to get my hair cut, but everything is closed. So once the salons open back up, I do plan on getting this cut, because let me just put it away. We don't know her. She's just, we don't know you. Girl, we don't know you. So once the salons open back up, I do want to get my hair cut, and I do want to take the time to dedicate a whole series to me just making sure that I take the right steps in taking care of my hair. So it took a lot for me to actually get on camera and show you guys my process of my wash and go that I do. Like I said, normally I'll just do a twist out, but I wanted to show you guys what my hair actually looks like before I kick off this whole healthy hair journey. I'm pretty sure there are other women in the world that has hair that's similar to mine, that's extremely damaged, and they're trying to figure out what to do. So I figured that I can film it and we can figure out what to do together. So just stay tuned for what I have in store for you guys, because we are gonna get this together. We are gonna reach our healthy curly hair goals. Like, my goal is to have one of those big froze that's just so defined and cute and healthy. Like, I just wish. But yes, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and supporting me. And yeah, I'm not gonna drag it, so let's get on with the video. Alright, so I rinsed my deep conditioner out. I used the Mielle Organics Babazu and Mint Deep Conditioner. We do want to make sure that we are deep conditioning our hair once or twice a week, because deep conditioners provide the moisture and it also strengthens your hair. Now I'm just taking my hair and sectioning it off into 4 sections. Now you just want to take the sections and divide it into subsections to make sure that the products that we use really be absorbed into our head. The products that I'm going to be using for this wash and go is the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Oil, and then also my Curl Starter Coco Cream. As you can see, I am strangling my hair and trying to finger coil the ends because my hair just does not curl. Like, my hair needs all the little extra help it can get. I will admit that the back of my head looks pretty nice. Like, it's curling, she's doing her thing, but baby, when y'all see the fronts, you're gonna be like, what in the world? So just keep watching so you can see the difference between the back of my head and then the front left side of my head. What is this? Look at it. It's a mess. It's a complete mess. I'm actually embarrassed that I'm showing y'all this, but I'm gonna show y'all the real. This is me, and this is my damaged hair. It is so much harder for me to try to shingle and finger coil this front section. Like, it doesn't want to curl at all. It's just straight and stringy. It's a complete difference from the back of my head. Like, look, I have to do all this extra work. And she not even curling up. Ugh, I can't wait to cut my hair. So this is my hair when it's completely wet. Now this is my hair when it's dry. Make sure you guys like this video and also leave a comment down below if you're excited to go on this healthy hair journey with me. Thank you guys.